So I came downstairs. That's the back where I parked. And this is the downstairs part of it. So the only part that's down here, it's paneling walls, it's open ceiling, a small little bathroom, laundry room, with your hookup, and your dryer, and your panel box. But I'm only 5'2", and I had to duck, which doesn't happen often. Yeah, I'm not even gonna go in the other part of the house. Part of me wants to. Oh, hello. And part of me doesn't. Can you tell if they're crooked? I can tell they're crooked. Give me vertigo coming down them.